was I hadn't played them. I'd just been playing Flex and Earth, and then I played them last night at like 3 a.m. So like 16 hours ago now, and then I played both of them, and then basically like their team was like, "Oh, if Listeners is playing, you guys lose 3 bans," and we were like, "What the fuck?" I literally played my games, and then nobody knew, but like Enryuga didn't know. Like you have to play your games like 48 hours before. You have to play them like by Wednesday. So since I played them like later, like since I played them like yesterday, I'm technically ineligible to play, which is fucking retarded. And also since obviously like we're not subbing me out and like we're keeping me in, they obviously know that like that you guys want to play with me, so like they just banned Hector. I mean, they might have banned that anyways, but you know what I mean. Like they're also just they're so cringe. They're like legit cringeoids, and I'm gonna shit stomp on them.
Jeez. Okay.
I mean, I don't know why they wouldn't first pick fucking Seraphine, their bot lane.
Man, I don't know. Like, them fucking doing this was the worst idea, because like, I'm gonna play so much better. Like, I'm literally gonna play I'm so angry. I'm literally gonna shit stomp these kids.
Imagine giving me MF though. Oh mega.
Oh my god, I'm actually gonna fucking hold on.
He shows you picked away their main ADC's main pick. What?
What the? I can't believe they didn't just blind. They should have just blinded the MF. I mean,
they should have. They should have did that or Seraphine. Like they shouldn't have given us both.
What the fuck are they thinking? Then they pick.
They picked Echo first.
Ezreal Cow. What the?
Yeah. This isn't season 4 where that's a good combination anymore, buddy. We banned Shen and banned
Kaisa.
Kaisa. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's not how you spell Kaisa.
Close enough.
Kaisa.
I mean, I think he was trying to put Kai and then
I don't know how to spell that champion.
Dude, I can't believe those little shits banned my Galio and my Annie. How dare they?
Yeah. Especially the Annie. Holy shit. Because we all know how much you love that little girl.
Wait, I love Annie, dude. Annie's like my 3rd most played man. I love it. Fuck. That was my plan, man. I was gonna whip out there. I was gonna flash this fucker level 2, man, with Ignite.
Do you want me to go Ignite or do you want me to go Exhaust? Just the...
I think Exhaust is fine. I don't... How much kill pressure do you think we have in lane?
The problem is Alistar can easily heal, quite easily, so we would have to get...
If you want to Ignite, I'm fine with either. Exhaust is just like the safer one, but...
Yeah, because I want to shit on like Echo without trying to, like, if I don't have Ignite, I'd rather have a backup. Yeah, I'll keep Exhaust. It's just trying to stop Alistar healing is really impossible without, like, early Executioner.
I think I'm just gonna Proto Belt merch, then probably like fucking Ash.
Oh, okay, Tony.
Yeah, we're
fine. Because the only thing I think of is go Moonstone and then go straight into that Calypso thing or whatever. The one that allows you to give Grievous Rooms to everyone that has a shield. You know? So, I think that'll be pretty good for us. Yeah, you'll have it when I give you a shield.
Yeah, but I have a shield.
Right, but as long as I heal, shield, or, you know, because I have Guardian, fucking free shields for everyone.
No, I have a shield.
Nope, I have to give you the shield.
Ew, he went SKT1 Echo? Ew.
They're not doing that good right now. Jeez.
Oh, it's just a really ugly Echo.
Yo, they need a sub Kana in so I can get fucking points for my fantasy.
Alright, let's fucking go, boys.
If he doesn't get one game, I'm gonna cry.
Yo, let's try to make this the fastest game in Upsurge history.
Okay.
Okay.
Alistar took Ignite, by the way.
I like playing with the fire, but...
I'm joking.
Let's not burn the house.
We were going too far, so...
Yeah. Heal.
Yeah. Leo?
Yeah, I'm coming, sorry. Just trying to figure out if I went door and ring. Still.
Just making sure we didn't need to pause.
You starting top or starting bot?
I'm gonna start top. Top towards bot.
Alright, we try and bounce the wave. So we wanna get level 2 and then shove the third wave into their tower.
Got it. Looks like Talia's showed herself. She is over here somewhere. Yep, right there.
You're not back then.
Okay, she's down her ward. What was it, 2
She's
minutes?
back in this bush. I don't see her there.
Yeah, so that'd be 2:53.
She's really trying to start red side. She's so fucked up.
Yeah, so 2:53, that vision would be gone.
Okay, so she either starts late or she starts chunked. One of the two.
Okay. Yeah, so, and then plus with me being squishy, we can't tease them, so.
Alright.
Okay, they started the blue, the red.
No, we don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, top down control. Check the mana pool for bot lane.
They haven't used anything.
Yeah.
Could be out.
Rooting? Damn. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, let's go words try.
He's pushing back.
Okay.
They did not want to contest that wave at all, so
Nope.
they're down 6 CS already.
Not bad.
I think he just warded here on that floor.
Yeah, I'm going for both of them. I suspect she started red. Tony, be careful.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, oh wait, she's on Krugs.
Yeah.
We
Okay,
wanna-
Alistair's coming.
We can fight this. I want to fight this.
Okay.
Do we know where their mid laner is?
Yeah, go, we fight this,
Keep back, I'm running to you guys, Keep back. He has TP though, he's
Just hit
TPing.
Alistar. Just hit Alistar. Do we have a
Yep.
TP?
Go on this guy, go on this guy.
I'm running down.
Rooting? Flashing?
Go over. Nice.
Nice. Heal in 2 seconds?
Oh, why that flash?
It's fine, chill. We don't go for more, Good sleep. Jump.
Oh my god, Echo's trying to.
Leave.
Yeah.
No Talia flash. That's all I saw.
Okay, I'll help you push. I'll get the back row set. Okay, that one's back.
I'm going for top grab
Oh,
as well.
damn.
I'll grab it. She can't contest me.
It's okay.
She's
I mean,
level
the
down,
bot lane's
like,
over. Like,
Yeah.
I'm so fucking far ahead. Like, he's fucking 13 CS. Alright, in teamfights, we really need to call targets, because that was a terrible selection.
Gotcha.
Top lane too. Their Garen players going crazy.
Rotating bot. Actually, I'm gonna rotate the dragon pit, put my pink ward into the dragon pit, okay?
I'm resetting and going to get Vision Dragon just in case they want to look for it.
Alright, so they're not fucking pushing this out, so I guess we're just gonna zone them for another, like, 2 waves.
And then,
you know what you just said, Jake? So they're just not fucking pushing this out, so I guess we just get to zone them for another 2 waves.
You guys are already done 14 CS.
He got 6 off the first wave. He got 6 off the first wave because they just didn't want to contest it
Alistair's
at
roaming
all.
up to mid. Be careful.
I'm gonna hit level
Yeah,
5.
I'm coming
Oh,
around.
are they
I'm
trying
gonna
for this?
try to
They
see if I
can't. They
can-
can't do this. I'm gonna hit level 5. So my smite is leveled.
They
Wow.
activated Conscious Decision to pick Ezreal.
Echo's in the same, be careful.
Alistar is mid. Be careful.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
missed.
Yeah, so he warded that bush in the mid, more than likely.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we have a pink on dragon. I'm gonna soul it.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure you're not hitting
Yeah.
this wave. We really want this pushing into us.
Okay. Alistar. Okay, he's back. I'm gonna try to cast root on Ez.
Nice.
Okay.
Dragon.
Nice, good shit, Ordero.
Yep. I'll get the minions set. There you
Nice,
go.
Tony, with the solo kill in the top lane, under tower. Tony, he's our man. If he
Want me
can't do it,
to
no one can.
heal the Wave Wave?
Yeah.
Alright, Echo's 6 now.
Okay.
Yeah,
We just get tower and we can reset.
Tony already at CS and a kill on the Garen. Oh,
We can hit another wave. We have a...
Okay.
If you want, we can run down Echo. Up to you though.
yeah, I'm done after I finish.
Over wave or?
No, let me just hit 6.
Yeah,
Let me
you
get
can queue
full
the
ready.
back.
Okay.
He's level 6. I don't want to. We can maybe.
I can
go
make
in.
him burn it real quick.
Okay, just walk out.
Alright, I'm gonna reward this real
I'm
quick.
walking forever. I think Talia's there, but we can fight for sure.
Nope. Okay, they got a pink warded.
If he's like covering here.
Enemy top has Prio right now.
Hey.
Okay. By the way, I'm gonna ward here, and if
Pretty
possibly, Leo, can we go into the enemy jungle?
Alistar has a roam timing.
Who, me?
Yeah. Could you?
I have the short wave.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
never
you
mind.
want to help? Sorry.
First, I'll come with you.
Talia right
But I
here.
can't run out. I just stopped now.
My bad. I should have helped you first that way, Leo. Sorry.
That's okay. Don't worry.
Talia,
when
just
you
keep
come
on your
back,
jungle. Talia, just
if you
keep
can.
on.
If you can.
From my jungle, I'm level 6. Oh, she took my red. Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say when you can, let me know when you come bot side so we can ward up all this side. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna come bot after, folks.
Okay. My flash should be up in another 29 seconds, so that means their flashes are gonna be coming up soon. So about 24 seconds. Swear to God, I'm gonna fucking root this motherfucker.
Okay, I'm resetting and going bot side.
As 6.
Alright, I'm coming.
I'm just trying to keep him off.
Yep. Hey, well.
Talia boss.
Okay.
Talia's bot run.
Yep, careful.
Alistar just hit level 5.
I'm walking a bot grab. No, I don't want to do it up if it's still there. I
Put in
might.
vision.
Oh no, it's not safe. Okay.
They moved
Okay.
the vision. They moved it. Yeah, he moved it here. It's in the bush.
Okay,
now.
Alistar's moving. With
I
that.
want to push. I want to push.
Yeah, Alistar's all by himself.
I want to push.
He's
Okay.
they're coming in, Leo. Careful.
Yep.
Let's see him.
Backline set.
Can we just dive bot?
Yeah. I'm gonna
We
flash.
catch him here. We catch him here.
Okay. That's pink warded.
It's fine. I want to fight. I literally don't care. You're so fucked.
They're
Talia
so
bot side?
terrified, actually. Oh, Tony, did you just solo
Hey,
kill again on your tower?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Is your
Talia bot side.
Okay, perfect.
Wait,
I'm gonna
where is
just
Talia?
clear towards top. I'm gonna clear towards top, grab Herald before Dragon spawn, and then we can spawn at mid and take
Top
Dragon.
TV, top TV.
Okay, perfect. He won't have it for Dragon. Tony, save your TP for Dragon. Don't TP back to lane. If you need to stack a wave, stack a wave.
Got it.
Okay, Talia bot.
Lily is here.
Talia bot.
I don't want. Should I respond to that, or should I just?
No, you're good.
I
You're
wanna
good.
get
I
the
have
Herald.
a ward
completely
possible,
chilling.
so
Go
don't
on
worry.
Herald. No, it's going Herald. I'm gonna grab Herald. It'll be done right before Dragon, and then I'll back in. Well, right before back.
This
counter
is
for
pushing as long as we don't touch the wave.
Yeah, do you want me to try and engage on Ezreal or no?
No, we just saw the jungle.
Oh no, what I'm saying like in a little bit.
We'll
Yeah,
see.
don't worry.
Because otherwise we're just wasting juggler's time, which I'm perfectly fine with.
Oh yeah, no, it's fine. I'm just gonna get Herald, and then I'll be there in Dragon. Oh, Garrett's walking down. Tony, walk down.
Okay, I'm gonna ping
Oh,
ward.
flash,
Dragon.
no.
Careful, flash mid. I'm already
Careful,
down. I'm coming.
Yeah.
Echo has no
I'm
flash.
flanking, I'm flanking.
They can't. Yeah, Echo's backing. It's ours. Echo's backing.
Yeah, we're just doing it. We got it. They can't contest.
Here, can we get pink ward? Can we get pink ward?
All right, I'm just gonna reset for Dragon now.
Push up mid and
There's a
reset
ward
as well.
right here. There's a
Thank
ward
you.
right
Actually,
I'm gonna ward right here. Be careful. Okay, Alistar is backing.
Yeah, I want to just push this. We
Alright.
push this to tower.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
sorry.
send him with Dragon at 30.
Bonnie Herald mid and then going Dragon.
Hey, I'm gonna go right through here and try to ult him.
No.
Okay,
Just save everything for the fight. We have a fight in like 20 seconds or so.
okay.
I'm gonna go push out mid, then throw Herald.
This guy's
Warded.
good getting free off.
I think they're giving. They're literally backing their bot lane. I don't
Okay.
know.
Oop.
We can take a plate.
Yeah, and then we can take out the vision too.
I'm here mid.
Yeah, they might be rotating up to mid.
Wait, tell her. Okay, watch Dragon. Go Dragon. Tony has TP and Garen doesn't.
I missed it.
You don't have to TP. They're not contesting.
Okay.
The team has slain the dragon.
Warded.
I just want to clear for Gordon here. I did it off this clear.
Top no flash.
Nice.
Just the top.
Holy shit! This guy. Look at his build. Okay, like, oh my god, what are we playing against?
Okay, I mean, Berserker Greaves is good for him, but
No,
when
it's
you're
not
fucking-
anymore. I know Garen means my buddy. Like he literally played that.
Okay,
build.
Alistar's missing.
Whatever.
Oh, never mind.
I mean, it doesn't matter. He's fucking good too.
Okay, Tony, he's our man. If he
Tilia's
can't,
bot,
no,
Tilia's bot, you're fine.
Talia
Oh,
bot.
yeah,
Talia
Oh,
bot.
Echo's right here.
I'm here.
there's no way they're diving. Oh, Tony, yo, Leo, this blue's for you.
Ooh,
Okay, okay. Sorry, I got a heart attack.
Okay, Ezreal's all by himself. I will try to flash engage on him.
Oh,
We can probably
I
just
got
kill
it.
him on the tower with an
Okay, then.
Just be.
Careful,
He's
Talia
gonna
can
have
only
heal
be
and
bot lane here.
flash.
Talia can only be bot lane here.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
here. Oh, let's go. Oh,
Oh,
no,
Garen.
I think if you throw your Q, so then I can ease
Yeah, we
and
can fight
take
this.
tower.
We have board. We have board.
Okay, I'm back in lane Q.
I'm back.
I'm gonna go clear my red side and then back.
This is not close.
Huh? We better
I
not
got
die.
photo belt.
No deaths. No deaths. Keep it clean.
TB to left.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, they're bot, they're bot.
Fucking jinxed us.
I jinxed it. I'm sorry, guys.
That's okay.
Oh, this is your fault, man.
Report me after. It's
Oh.
fine.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
you guys can report me. He put a pink ward there. Our blue's just coming up, so probably yeah.
No. Whoa. I have
I'm
flash off. Come. No, Leo, come. My property.
I need the wave. I'm coming.
My property is being stolen.
No, it's not. You backed away. Alright, we get him.
Okay. Come to me.
We're chasing this
There
guy
you go.
down. Oh,
Thanks, awesome.
he should die, right?
Oh, that's so sad.
There you go.
And his ult came up. Yeah, that was really
There you
well
go.
done. I didn't expect his ult to be coming up there. Alright, that's fine. I'm just gonna grab vision.
I'm
We
gonna
should,
I
be,
get mid tower.
we should be looking to set up next dragon in like a couple seconds.
One thing.
I'm already getting did B vision.
No, not like. I mean, like start setting up vision because it's still 2 minutes out.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying for like right now.
Oh,
Alistar until you mid.
Go top tower.
I'm running top. Yeah, I'm running. If you want to go in, you can. I think he's running.
nice.
I knew it.
Alright, I'm in back. Yeah, we just back up for right now. We have Rift in a minute, Dragon in a minute too.
Let's do Drag first. The Rift isn't really important here.
Yeah, I'll go
Upsurge
bot.
right here.
Actually, I'll go top. Tony, you should go bot.
Got it. I'm
Dragon,
just
I have
gonna
TP.
Talia is bot side on a Crux.
You want it?
Great.
Yes. I'm a greedy ADC.
Green version.
It's fine, I don't need all these extra gold.
Alt is up, by the way.
I'll invade with
They can't like pick me on the jungle. when
Talia
I-
is bot side, so
I just
she
like
was on
my phone.
Crux.
Yeah, we can look for picks or something here.
Warded.
I mean,
Can
they
we
have to. They,
Can we
they
get
have
this wave in
Yeah, yeah,
before?
Yeah.
I'm pushing bot.
If you need me, I have TP. If you just push it out.
Dragon. We still have to walk through this pink bush at some point.
I'm gonna push
Push
this
out-
wave.
push down
Okay,
into it.
I'll stay mid. Oh, speaking of which,
They're kind of walking around.
okay, Talia, there's like,
Gonna boss plant. Yeah. Tony, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. You're fine. We can TP if they try and hurt you. Yeah, they're not.
yeah,
I'm going to straight on Dragon. Going straight on Dragon.
Yeah.
okay.
Can I
And then we.
I have
We're going top. Going top, Leo. Just back up. Just back up. They're going top. They're trying to-
Yeah, I'm backing out. I'm backing out.
We just go Herald after this.
I'll start Rift. You guys get Dragon ahead this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I found Talia charm.
Okay, these off there.
All right. Let's push up mid and then go Herald. If they don't want to contest us over objectives, we're just gonna keep taking them.
You're messing up my 10 CS per minute, dude.
Sorry.
I'm gonna have to tax your
Jungle.
yeah, your
Absolutely.
jungle for that one.
Absolutely, Mr. 80 carry. My apologies, Mr. 80 carry.
These are going for it.
Alright. Want me back.
Hey, right here, mid.
I'm resetting.
Yeah, I'm going the wave in.
Okay, want me to ult Echo?
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
Just
going
go
flank
for
from behind. Can I?
Yeah, I'm coming. Once I get there, we can look for this.
There's a ward right here.
Their Echo is all they're doing,
Yeah.
by the way. So, like, if we kill Echo, we would just win fight. I mean, we're gonna win fight anyways, but like, kill Echo first. I have Herald. Where do we want to
I
crack?
have
Yeah,
Herald,
just pressure this until someone comes. Okay, there's Talia. Alright, and I can just.
Elser to our left. There's
Or,
Elser right there.
Upsurge's gonna be right there. They have.
We're running. Just
I'm out.
Okay, just deal with Whip then, and Swan Herald mid first. Just crack open mid.
I want to ult him.
No, yeah, I don't.
Damn.
We just wait for Herald charge and take the tower. Leo's taking top. I don't know. I want to get a second charge if we can. Okay, no, I think there's too much pressure now.
Yeah.
All four moved up. It's fine. We got side lanes getting towers.
Echo's right
I
here.
got top tower.
That's even better actually.
I'm gonna reset. Can I?
Echo's over there, so be
I
careful.
think we reset.
We can chill it. Tony, chill it. We want to. Perk wants to reset.
Okay, Echo's now at the very top side.
We play for Dragon in 3 minutes.
Alright, I'm resetting.
Alright, I'm playing for Flame Horizon on the Ezreal.
Fog.
I think you just warded this one. Yeah.
The Talia still with 0 KD at 19 minutes. Jungle are insane.
I'm
Like-
leaving this fucking champion. Or this up on.
Their jungler's going crazy.
Totally.
0 KD at 19 minutes. That's what
I think our mid is just going insane.
God.
Ham with
I'm
top.
Dog shit.
Whoa.
Did you reset right? Perky your
Yeah,
turret?
it was.
Whoa.
Okay, Dragon in 2 minutes.
Oh, that's
I'm resetting on Sterox.
I'm just gonna go top, to be honest. I can't.
Yeah, Talia's top side. Oh, she's trying to clear vision.
I'm gonna push bot so we give
Yeah, they can't pressure Baron at all. They don't have any damage to do it because of Ezreal, so we don't need to get wards up there really. We can leave one up there and then just scatter this bot out of the red side with vision right now. And buy 2 control wards if you can. Yeah, we're good. We got a whole shit ton of control wards.
I have mine right here.
Yeah. So I think I have mine. Oh no, mine's not placed out. So we got 3 out. Let's go get.
I
Some
got
more.
mine in my bin. There we go. I cleared out older vision already.
Yeah, it's fine. Leo has his top right now, but when he comes down here, he has another one to place. So I'm gonna clear vision, and then I'll leave a pink ward here.
Okay, boarding over here to the left.
Oh,
Yeah,
her red
top.
top. I'm
Yeah,
just gonna
top.
red. She's top. She's top. Yeah, we still her red.
Echo and Talia top.
The- Okay. I left my pink ward here. I don't have any astral wards because I'm running a sweeper right now.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Tony, if you have a ward, place it like over here or over here even.
I got it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, Alistar's coming. Try to get.
Oh wait, you already have it. Never mind.
But that doesn't
Oh.
help me get 10 CS per minute.
Okay.
Echo spot. Echo spot.
He can't go bot here. Okay.
You can look here.
Okay.
Echo no flash. Echo no flash. Great. Oh, okay. Okay. What the fuck is this guy doing? Get the fuck out of here.
Nice.
I'm getting top tower.
Just take mid and then back to dragon. We got solo in 40 seconds.
Wait, am I muted?
I'm coming.
Starax is a cool item, by the way.
I exhausted him right at the same time. He ulted.
Yeah.
Why did they engage?
We can just take this inhib tower and then go to.
Yeah, we can hear you, Tony.
I don't know, man. I stare like the Garen ulted me and my Starax shield just kind of looked at him. Yeah. Okay, just back up into the dragon. No point in trolling us. They're trying to pick Tony.
Oh,
we can
Tony's
save
strong.
him. We can save him. They don't do any damage. They don't do any damage. We can save him. It's fucking Ezreal with one item.
Dragon's up.
This Garrett.
Do you like the 0 KD jungler at 21 minutes?
Do you remember that Wukong said he was better than us? He had
1 KP at 40 minutes or something? Yeah, I was like... He didn't even know what KP meant, too.
Right here. Okay.
We just gotta reset the dragon.
Okay.
Baron, and then
Alright.
No, they're starting. They're already getting to dragon, so I'm gonna have to
Oh,
say
wait,
no.
that they can do this, right? Like...
they can't do it.
I-
I have to
Seconds.
Drop the ward.
Actually, nah, they do. Yeah, TB now if
There you
you're
go.
gonna be, because they're gonna...
Right
they're
here.
gonna- Just
I'm
take
running.
the again. Okay, they're...
I'm ready.
You have to! You can't! You can't give up! You have to fight or something! You can't just give up like that! Like, it's so...
We can bait them at Baron. They have two in it.
Nah, yeah, put Baron. Black Wave Smite still. Nah, they can't just do that. You can't, like, what? Like, they should've just burnt it. They could've burnt it.
Oh my fucking.
Man, they're
KDA.
actually pulling. These guys are terrible.
I feel like they
Go get
really
Vision
need
Odaro.
to
Go get
be
Vision
man.
Odaro. Go get Vision.
I have no vision.
No Vision, that's fine. I mean, I wish you did, but it's fine because we just did Dragon, so I understand.
Yeah, they're all right there in base anyways.
Yeah, and it's fine. It's fine.
And I already cleared out all their vision.
Alright, let's just close this game out after we
You
back
can go
here.
bot, or like I'm resetting, but
Let's just 1-3-1.
Just reset, go bot, reset, go
Put
bot.
Leo, no, 1-3-1. Just put Leo in the bottom. Or no,
I don't have
yeah. No, it's fine.
I'll mid.
We don't need TPs. We don't need TPs. We don't need TPs. We literally just 1-3-1 and just don't let them engage. Like we just Baron all the minions.
You got
Literally, no.
bottom,
Tony,
you
you
go
top. So Tony, you top, Diana mid, and then me, Seraphine, and MF mid.
Okay.
That's how we run it. And then Tony can rotate with ult, and Leo can rotate with his just rotating, flashing, and fucking Ian and Diana. We're fine. Like they can't like hard engage on us like mid. It just doesn't work.
Because my ultimate just fucks them up.
Well, yeah, your ultimate. I have
Yeah,
like they can't run through me to you guys ever because I'll just kill them. Okay, I thought Leo was going bot, but that's fine. This works, I guess. If Perky's gonna smurf.
You just told me to go mid.
No, I said Leo go bot, Perky, me, and Seraphine mid. But it doesn't matter. This is fine as well. Like
What?
it really doesn't matter. It's fine. He can push. No, stay now. He can push space faster than you, anyways.
Yeah.
We just don't want Ornn down there because he can't get towers quickly. Okay, Echoes. Yeah, now they see. Like this is the problem for them because like they want to go after Perky, but they can't because their base is just mid-eye. So we just wait till Perky gets that into inhib, and then we just take the inhib. Awesome. We don't even look at this guy. Like, we just do this. That's game.
Ulti.
Penta?
Yo, penta them. Chase this guy. Yo, dive him. I'll dive. Oh, Ornn first. No. Three idiots! Let's go! No, Perky did. We died. We go fountain.
We lost 0 towers, by the way.
I'm not GG, man. That's like
I'll give him a GG for giving me the penta.
no, it's lame. That's why I'm not GG because I would just say bad game. You're just ass.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's a best of
There you
3.
go.
Holy shit, let's fucking go, Perky. I said, no, Perky, like, I heard that hint of this, of like, I'm gonna go back and just end the game, and then I was like, no, Orn first, and me next, we're getting the points up.